Hi, Samuel. Joan here with Tameron Hyundai, and I have the 2019 Santa Fe that you inquired about in silver. This vehicle comes equipped with honeycomb grille, wraparound projected headlights, daytime LED running lights, 17-inch alloy wheels filled with titanium, wheel locks, blind spot detection, keyless entry. Come inside. Let's take a look inside this lovely vehicle. Inside this vehicle, you'll see that it comes with a 7-inch display monitor where you can Bluetooth your cell phone. It has Apple and Android CarPlay, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist. But that is not the best thing about this vehicle. The best thing about this vehicle is our warranty. This vehicle comes equipped with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, exclusively, we double that to 20-year, 200,000-mile. So come see me, Joan, at Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile north of the Galleria, where you'll love the way you're treated. Please give me a call at 205-380-6250. Thank you. Looking forward to speaking with you, Samuel.
All right.